Have you ever seen a phone launch take off like a rocket in multiple countries at once? That's exactly what happened with Samsung's brand new Galaxy Z Fold 7, and it's making some serious waves, especially in Europe. While Samsung was busy launching the Galaxy Z Fold 7, Z Flip 7 7F E, and the Galaxy Watch 8 series, they quietly dropped a detail that reveals just how much people are loving the Fold 7 already. In the first 2 weeks alone, pre-orders for the Galaxy Z Fold 7 in Europe jumped over 50% compared to last year's Fold 6. That's not just a small win, it's a clear sign that people are finally warming up to foldable phones in a big way. Europeans are especially impressed by how this new model manages to keep the feel of a regular phone while opening up into something close to a tablet. It's thinner, sleeker, and more practical than ever. And it's not just Europe where things are heating up. Reports show that South Korea and India also saw record-breaking pre-orders for the Fold 7 and Flip 7. Clearly, Samsung's foldable experiment isn't just continuing, it's thriving. But the Fold 7 isn't just winning people over with its form factor. A huge part of the excitement is also about color, specifically the new blue shadow finish. Samsung says blue shadow is getting a ton of love across the globe, with nearly 40% of worldwide pre-orders for both the Fold 7 and Flip 7 choosing that specific color. It's bold, modern, and apparently very on-brand for Samsung's image this year. Alongside blue shadow, the Fold 7 is also offered in silver shadow, jet black, and an exclusive mint color that's only available online. The Flip 7 also brings mint as a limited online option and adds coral red to its regular mix. This kind of color variety, especially with such strong early preferences, shows that people aren't just interested in high specs, they also want something that stands out. And right now, blue shadow is doing exactly that. As of today, the Fold 7, Flip 7, and Galaxy Watch 8 series are available in 49 different countries. But Samsung has much bigger plans, with a rollout that will soon reach over 110 global markets. That kind of reach is no accident. It tells us that Samsung believes in the demand for foldables now more than ever. After years of building and tweaking this category, it seems they've finally nailed the right combination of design, performance, and everyday usability. And early customers seem to agree. The massive bump in pre-orders, especially from European buyers, shows a big shift in how people think about smartphones. Phones that fold aren't just cool anymore, they're practical, stylish, and ready for daily use. Whether it's the convenience of a tablet in your pocket or just a fresh new look with a color like blue shadow, Samsung is giving people more reasons than ever to switch things up. And if this early success is any clue, the rest of the world might not be far behind. So, what do you think is now the time to go foldable? If you like this update, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos just like this. Thanks for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one.